Hi everyone, welcome. So is your thermostat malfunctioning, not working properly? You've changed the batteries and it's still not right? This one's reading 27 right now, and I can guarantee you it's not 27 degrees. This is Celsius, and I've tried changing the batteries in this and it's still doing it. I'm not sure if there's anything else I can do, but this thermostat has been here since we moved into the house over 10 years ago. So I'm thinking it's gotta be like at least 12 to 15 years old. So I went and picked up a new one here, and I'm gonna change the thermostat out. There's other types of thermostats, so you wanna look into that, what type of appliance you have, okay? But for most household appliances that have a thermostat, like a furnace, for example, gas, electric, they're going to be a low voltage thermostat, okay? So that's what this is. So we're gonna go ahead and change this out. I've got a Honeywell programmable thermostat here, okay? Compatibility. Heating and cooling, forced air, gas, oil, or electric, which would mean furnaces or heat pumps. Before you start, you should turn the power off at the breaker panel or your heating appliance. And then once the thermostat is installed, go ahead and turn this back on. It just pops off of there. See, there's the batteries, a couple of AA batteries. So we've got a bunch of little letters here, R, Y, G, W, okay? I mean, basically what you wanna do is put the wires back on the new thermostat where they were on the old one, okay? And if you have more than 2 wires, then you're gonna have to do your research. Just look at the wiring diagram or look at your instructions, okay? But most of the time, it's the 2 wires, okay? So you got your white and your black, okay? And a good rule of thumb is the white usually goes to the W. And so what we're gonna do here is you just need a very small flathead screwdriver to undo these flatheads in here. And these are gonna be done up pretty tight. You wanna do them up tight so they really snug against that wire. Okay, so we got those 2 loosened. So now we're gonna take off this bracket off the wall here, okay? Okay, that should pop off of there. It's a little bit stuck because there's the old paint color there. Okay, so now we'll take our new thermostat. Okay, you got all your stuff there. Read through that and then you'll know how to do it, but this is just a video to give you an idea of how to do this, okay? So there's your new thermostat, okay? So if we pull that apart, bunch of metal pieces here and they fit in here, which makes the contacts, okay? So on here you can see that there's the W, orange, green, yellow, white, not used, red, RC. So W and R, that's what we had before. So we're gonna put our white wire to the W and the black wire to the R. Okay, so then we're gonna take our bracket and who knows, maybe we'll luck out and the holes will line up. Nope. Okay, so this one only has 2. We're gonna do one side first here. Okay, the new thermostat comes with drywall anchors and screws if it just keeps spinning and you're not hitting anything. This hit a stud in behind here, I could tell. And you wanna make sure this is level. This is kind of rounded here, so we're just gonna eyeball it. You could put a little level across the top of here and make sure it's perfect, but that looks pretty good right there. There we go. Okay, so then we got our wires. So we're gonna take our little screwdriver, we're gonna undo that white terminal right here. That white just goes down in behind there. Just like that. And then we wanna tighten that up while we're holding it. There. Now that white wire is gonna come out. And then we take our black wire and we'll put that where the R is. There we go. Tighten that up. So that won't tug out of there. And that's it. Okay, and there's the thermostat. This takes AA batteries. So we're gonna put those in. Okay, this is in Fahrenheit. That seems more like it for the temperature in this room right now. Okay, there's a couple of tabs at the top here, and they go right here and here. So we want to take that, put it over those tabs, and then everything else should just line up on its own, and then just push, and there we go. It's just that easy. And then it's just a matter of going through your instructions to program it. This is saying 71 now. I've been holding on to it too, so it's warming up. So it just went to 72. That's probably my warm breath on there. So I'm gonna go through and look at my instructions on how to program this so I can program it to come on at different times, at different temperatures during the day throughout the week, which is great for energy saving. So that's it. I hope the video helped you out. Good luck if you attempt this yourself. And again, just, read over your instructions. It's really a pretty easy DIY project. Okay? All right, thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you next time.